Davinci, Framed by Davinci. Welcome to another episode. Today I am downtown Albany, gonna do a fashion shoot with my talent Gabby. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. I am going natural light. The sun is setting. It's around 6 p.m. So I'm hoping that we can get this done. Gabby, get in here. This is my subject for the day. Let everybody know where they can follow you on social media.
Hi, you can follow me on Instagram at GabbyFanti.31.
And we're gonna put all her information in the description so you can follow her. Let's shoot. Oh, we gotta get the assistant. Hold up. Hold up. Give them your social. This is our help for the day. Where can they follow you at?
Lexi.Bonzanello.
We're gonna put all her information in the description. Let's shoot. So what I do first is usually I just get some test shots. Okay. Just kind of testing the lighting. I'm glad that all the people left, so we kind of got all of this timing. Let me talk to the camera real quick. I'm shooting with a 24-70. I know you usually see me shoot with a 70-200, but I don't want to be too wide. Telemarketers. I'm using my Canon 6D Mark II. We're gonna just do some fashion stuff, get some full body stuff. Gabby says she came with the accessories, so we definitely want to get some detail shots. But you know, stay tuned. Right there. Put your chin down slightly, right there. Yeah, don't even look at me. Perfect. Yeah, this gonna be easy. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
I was just warming up. We ready to go now. So so what I wanna do, I'm gonna pose you kinda. I wanna get like some candid almost. So I want you kinda like
looking around. Like
yeah, don't like I'm not even here.
Okay.
So I'm gonna have you kind of like, you just gonna give me like one of these walks, like you looking around, you might have dropped some money, but just don't look at the camera. Perfect. One more time. And you just kind of look over at her. Hold that. That's perfect. You stay there. You allowed to smile. It's all right. You good. Yeah. Nobody don't like smiling no more. I don't know why.
I like when I look better when I'm smiling.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I don't know why people don't smile. That's perfect. Hold that. Get that one more time. Yeah. Fire. Fire. My way. Hold that. Coming in close. That's fire. Hold that. Love it. So my photographers, that you travel when you shoot, you changing locations, you gotta get you a pop-up changing booth. I got this because I be going far locations where you don't have a bathroom available. You get you a little pop-up change-up booth. Your model will thank you, I promise, man. And we are moving on to look number 2. Actually, hold that. I'm trying to shoot in between these cars behind you. Put that foot out for a little farther. Yeah. Let me see the other foot. Yeah, let me see that. Perfect. That's dope. Let's try this one first, since it's not no traffic coming that way. And you're gonna go on the other side and you're gonna just walk my way.
Oh, okay.
But don't look at me. It's gonna be like I'm catching you like paparazzi style. Perfect, one more time. I'm gonna let him go by and then ready? Go. Fire. Let's see how they look with a little movement. That's a low one. That's a high one.
Oh my God, I love these.
Right? It's a little movement.
These are great. Yeah.
So you just pose. I'm gonna just follow your poses. Yeah, give me just some poses. Perfect. Yeah. I like that. You looking down at the jacket. Yeah, like you just making an adjustment. Hold that. You can smile. Go ahead. Perfect.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah. So yeah, I want to use this wall here, just kind of as your background. Let me see. Let me just test how the lighting is, because I put the flash on. Let's see. Fire though. Wonder if I can try and make it look a little darker outside. Ooh. See, I'm just testing. It's giving you a little glow though, I like.
Oh, I love
right?
that. Yeah, I like the colors.
Get a couple more tests and then we should be good. Perfect, hold that. Perfect, I'm dialed in. I like how these is looking.
I really, really like that. Oh, I like that last one a lot. That one. No, I really like these.
It's a different look with the flash.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Pose right there, yup. Perfect. Yup, giving me some variety. Like it. Play with the belt. Fire. Oh, these is money. Money.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, looking like a magazine catalog.
Wow, it really
You feel me?
Oh my God. This is so cool. Wow. Oh my God. These literally look edited.
Ah, that's just you. We good. That's just you. So Davinci, framed by Davinci. Just wrapped up a dope shoot with Gabby. Super natural. I got to use my flash. I've never used this, so this was a different look, different vibe. But the sun was setting a little bit, so I was like, I want to still get some good even lighting on her. Gabby, let them know where they can follow you on social media.
You can follow me on Instagram at gabbyfanti.31.
We're gonna put all her information in the description. Now, before the shoot, she ain't really remember what her Instagram is. So if you follow her, I can't guarantee she gonna follow back. But stay tuned. You gotta get in here. We had Lex was rocking. She was getting Frank right. Let them know where they can follow you at.
You can just follow me at Lexi Mondello on Instagram.
We're gonna put her information in the description, and her page is private, so you might not get a follow back from her either. I'm your boy Davinci, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. I'll see you on the next one.